Hey, what is up guys, it's PMHK here, and today we're looking at some headphones. Now these headphones were sent to me by Gearbest, and they are not sponsoring this video in anyhow. They actually contacted me a couple of weeks ago and they sent me two packages. They actually asked me what do I like from their website, and I said I like Mi gadget, and they sent me two of their Mi product. They sent me the Mi Band, the Mi Smart Band 2, which I reviewed last week. I have the video in the channel, just go through my videos and you'll find it out. And they also sent me these high-res headphones. These are the Mi In-Ear Headphones Pro HD. Now, Xiaomi claims that these guys have high-res audio. Now, I don't know what they mean by high-res audio. The only way to find out exactly what high-res is by opening it and trying it out. So, let's grab a knife and unbox this guy as quick as possible. So, knife, cut, and let's get through the box. So today's setup, we have the overhead camera right there so you guys can see what's going on the table. So let's unpack this guy, if I can find out how to exactly open it. Okay, it's actually quite easy. One thing that I've noticed about Xiaomi is their packaging. Their packaging, even though their products are really affordable, like these headphones are going for, let me just see if I can find out on the Gearbest website. They are the ones who sent me this item, as I said. So right now on Gearbest, this guy is actually on sale. Funny enough, their products are forever on sale. So I'm gonna leave a link on the description of the Gearbest website. Again, as I said, they are not sponsoring this video. They're not paying me to say good things about this product. So whatever I feel about the product, I'm gonna give you the honest truth. So I'm gonna leave the link of their website down in the description. I'm also gonna put a link of the actual high-res earbuds or earphones for you guys to also check it out if you wanna pick up one. So they're on sale right now for 21% off. They go for $22. $22 right now, you're looking at around, again, 300 Rand, just like the band. So these are original Xiaomi Pro HD In-Ear hybrid earbuds, dual dynamic and balanced armature drivers, 3.5mm jack, which my iPhone doesn't have anymore, but I have an adapter there on the side. And yeah, they also come with inline microphone for you to control your phone calls. So let's get inside the package and see exactly what it comes with. So you have the main box right there. I think this is where the headphones are. Imagine, look at this packaging and you're only paying 300 Rand for it. This is amazing though. Reminds me of Apple products again. This will be a carrying case. Yeah, wow, actually good quality carrying case. And that's about it. So let me get through the box. Again, this packaging is amazing, eh? For the price that you're paying. Okay, I'm inside the box. There we go. The unboxing experience is really good. Makes me feel like unbox therapy. So inside the box, the earbuds actually come with wow, it's wrapped around the plastic, what can I call this? Plastic holder, and it comes also with interchangeable plastic heads. I don't know exactly what they call these guys, but interchangeable buds. I'm gonna call them buds, but I think that's the correct way of calling them. So it comes with 3 sets of interchangeable buds. I'm gonna put these on the side and actually go ahead and try these guys. Wow, the quality is really good, eh? This feels like a metal, but it's plastic. But it's, in terms of quality, it's got really good quality. So quality, let's get quality testing. Oh, this is metal. This is not plastic. Unfortunately, I couldn't read to see what the material is made of because the packaging is in Chinese as usual, but the quality is really good. If any of you knows Chinese, please read that for me and let me know in the description what it's saying, because I have no clue. But nevertheless, let's test these guys. For people that are using any of the new Apple devices, obviously you're going to have to use this little adapter for you to be able to connect headphones and connect them to your device. So I'm gonna have a quick listening session and give you guys my feedback. So they actually fit quite good. They cover my ears fully. At this moment I'm probably already shouting, but this is good because they kind of have a little noise cancelling because they actually stick it in there. So let's listen to some Drake. Shot for me. This right here is one of my favorite tracks right now, The Space Between by Major Jordan. Okay, so wow, to be honest, I'm quite surprised on how loud they are. I don't know if it's because I'm listening to them on the iPhone 10, because the iPhone 10 produces pretty loud sound even when it comes to the AirPods, which I featured on my previous video. You guys can go check it out. I'm actually linking all my videos to this video. But I am satisfied. Like, the bass is there, the stereo, they call it stereo. I'm not a audiophile, so I don't know the exact description of the audio component, but I know that the low ends is the bass. The low ends are really quite good. They don't overpower the lyrics, or they don't overpower the other instruments. But yeah, it's approved for me. This will be Homekrafted approved. I think I should start doing that. Any product that passes to this channel and I approve them for you guys to go and buy it, I'm gonna call them Homekrafted approved. Wow, they even sound a bit better than the... Not that they sound better, because there's kind of a noise cancellation happening here. They quite play a little bit better than the AirPods because of the noise cancelling. I mean, if the AirPods also had the noise cancelling, I think they will be as good as these ones. But yeah, I approve of them. Let's try see how the microphone actually works. Let me see if I can call someone. Hello, Maggie. It isn't FaceTime, it's a normal call. I'm just calling you to try these other headphones I'm featuring on my channel right now. So you're actually live. Can you hear me properly? I'm quite loud, so if you had to rate the sound quality from 1 to 10, how much would you give? You'd say 10. Now you FaceTime calling me, hey? You say 10. Okay. So Maggie, Rachel, aka Maggie, gives the headphones a 10. So it's a 10 in terms of the microphone quality. So yeah, there isn't much left to say. These are just headphones. Again, if you like this video, obviously, I'm gonna have the links to everything I spoke about in this video down in the description. You guys can go there and check the links out. Also go and check the Gearbest website. They have quite affordable products on their website. Again, they're not paying me to say this. I wish they were. So yeah, I'll check you guys on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.